The three-row SUV was supposed to be practical, predictable, safe. Then Toyota unleashed something that feels less like a family hauler and more like a quiet revolution. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander isn't just bigger, it's bolder, smarter, and shockingly refined. The question is simple. Is this the real three-row game-changer the segment didn't see coming? Because this isn't a stretched Highlander with extra seats bolted in. This is Toyota stepping into the future of family mobility with confidence. Let's break it down. At a glance, the 2026 Grand Highlander carries Toyota's modern SUV DNA, but everything feels amplified. The front fascia is upright and assertive, with a wide grille that looks sculpted from a single slab of metal. Sharp LED headlights slice through the night with a futuristic signature. It doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. Move along the side, and the longer wheelbase becomes obvious. The proportions are clean and deliberate. A straighter roofline preserves headroom while maintaining elegance. Subtle character lines run the length of the body, giving it motion even at a standstill. Large alloy wheels anchor the stance, giving this SUV a planted premium presence. Around back, a wide LED light signature stretches across the tailgate. The design is horizontal, stable, confident. There's no unnecessary drama, just balance. Aerodynamics have been refined as well, helping reduce wind noise and improve efficiency without compromising style. But the real revolution begins once you open the door. Step inside, and the cabin feels expansive, almost lounge-like. The dashboard stretches wide, creating a horizontal visual flow that enhances the sense of space. The centerpiece is Toyota's latest infotainment display, crisp and responsive, floating confidently above the dash like a digital command center. The digital instrument cluster delivers sharp graphics without overwhelming the driver. Physical climate controls remain, a smart decision that keeps usability intuitive. Materials elevate the experience. Soft touch surfaces, stitched accents, available leather seating, and brushed metallic trim give the Grand Highlander a near-luxury atmosphere. It feels thoughtfully crafted rather than over-designed. And then there's space. The second row offers generous legroom and available captain's chairs, transforming the middle section into a comfortable lounge. But the real breakthrough is the third row. This isn't an afterthought. Adults can sit comfortably. Headroom is real. Legroom is usable. The seating position feels natural, not cramped. Behind that third row, cargo space remains practical. Fold the seats flat, and the Grand Highlander transforms into a cavernous cargo carrier ready for road trips, airport runs, or weekend escapes. So design and comfort check the boxes. But does it have the muscle to back up the ambition? Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple powertrain options tailored for different drivers. The standard turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine delivers confident, everyday performance. It produces strong torque for highway merging and urban driving, while maintaining respectable fuel efficiency. It's smooth, responsive, and refined. But the real star is the Hybrid Max powertrain. Pairing a turbocharged engine with electric motors, this setup generates impressive combined horsepower, delivering acceleration that feels surprisingly energetic for a three-row SUV. Press the pedal, and the power builds intelligently. It doesn't explode, it surges. The electric assist fills torque gaps seamlessly, creating a smooth, almost futuristic driving experience. For efficiency-focused buyers, the traditional hybrid option prioritizes fuel economy without sacrificing practicality. Toyota's hybrid engineering shines here, delivering smooth transitions between electric and gasoline power. On the road, the Grand Highlander emphasizes composure. The suspension absorbs rough pavement with confidence. Steering feels light in the city and stable at highway speeds. It's not trying to be a sports SUV, it's engineered for long-distance comfort and daily usability. And that's the point. Safety and innovation elevate the package further. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work quietly in the background, adding reassurance without intruding. Higher trims introduce advanced features like a panoramic camera system, digital rear-view mirror, and intelligent parking assistance. These aren't flashy gimmicks. They're tools designed for real-world families navigating real-world situations. So where does this SUV stand in the market? The three-row segment is crowded. Honda Pilot, Kia Telluride, Hyundai Palisade, Ford Explorer. Each competitor brings something strong to the table. But the 2026 Grand Highlander positions itself differently. It blends efficiency with strength. It balances technology with usability. It offers genuine third-row comfort without stepping into full-size SUV territory. It's not the loudest, it's not the flashiest, but it may be the most complete. Pricing is expected to remain competitive within the mid-size three-row category, especially considering the hybrid options. Toyota's reputation for reliability and resale value further strengthens its appeal. Buyers planning long-term ownership often gravitate toward brands with predictable durability, and Toyota continues to dominate that conversation. Here's the bigger picture. The Grand Highlander represents Toyota listening to modern families. People wanted more space. They wanted hybrid power with real performance. They wanted advanced technology without sacrificing simplicity. Toyota delivered. Is it revolutionary in the sense of rewriting physics? No. But in the context of what families actually need, it feels transformative. This SUV doesn't try to shock you with outrageous design or unrealistic horsepower figures. It impresses with thoughtful engineering, with balance, with refinement. And in a market obsessed with extremes, that balance feels refreshing. So is the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander the real three-row game changer? For families outgrowing compact crossovers, for buyers who want hybrid efficiency without losing capability, for drivers who value comfort and long-term reliability. It just might be. This isn't just an extension of an existing model. It's Toyota expanding its vision of what a family SUV should be in the modern era. Quietly powerful, comfortably advanced, confidently engineered. That combination may not dominate headlines, but it wins loyalty. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander doesn't roar for attention. It earns it. And sometimes, that's the most revolutionary move of all. Don't forget to subscribe to Futureline TV for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.